everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, now you know. In today's video, I'm going to be filming my curly hair routine, which was highly requested. So I'm giving you guys what you want. I'm going to be showing you how I wash and style my hair and the products I use. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, I will have all of this linked down below so you guys can go purchase it and try out any of these products if you would like to. Bear with me, this voiceover might sound terrible, but I start off by taking my hair out of a bun, and it hasn't been washed in 3 days, so this is what it looks like, and I begin rinsing it off with warm water. So to begin washing my hair, I use the Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo in the scent Honey Treasures, and I take a dime size amount and I massage that through my scalp. Here's me rinsing my hair and singing because I always sing in the shower, but for the second time around when I shampoo my hair again, I focus more on the bottom of my scalp. And as you can tell, I'm not really washing my ends as much because that's what I use my conditioner for. And yeah. Before applying my conditioner, I begin to detangle my hair, and I kind of start from the bottom and work my way up because that's the best method for me. And as you can tell, I'm kind of struggling because my hair gets really tangled. So when applying the conditioner to my hair, I do the same thing. I kind of just like rake it and then scrunch it through the ends of my hair when I'm rinsing it out, if that makes any sense at all. And I use the same Garnier Whole Blends Honey Treasures conditioner. Lastly, when I leave the shower, I do not put my hair up. I kind of just let it sit and dry on my shoulders on the towel. So after I get out the shower, I always detangle my hair a second time after I did it the first time in the shower. And after that, I do not dry it with a towel like I said before. I just let it air dry. Like, I don't use a cotton shirt either. Sometimes I do, but for this video I didn't. I don't know why. I go in with the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Defining Cream, and I take a dime size amount on my palm. I rake it through my hair. I rake it through the bottom because you need to make sure that it's not frizzy here too, because sometimes it could frizz up here and then like the top will be good, but then it just won't give you like that nice defined curl look. So yeah, I just put an even amount all around my head with that first. I don't know if you're supposed to do this or not, but I do it. I take the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Curl Activating Mousse and I pump it in my hand. Then I take it, rake it through, and then once I get to the end of my hair, I scrunch it like that. And I do it all throughout my head. I flip my head over, I also scrunch it. After my hair is dry, but it's still a little damp, like I give it at least an hour, and then I go in with my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Intensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Cream, and it has argan oil. And it makes my hair sleek and shiny, so it doesn't like have that like frizzy look. Because I always had a problem with my hair being frizzy, but once I bought this, it was not even that as frizzy as it used to be. So those are the products I use. And for anyone wondering, my curl pattern is between a 3A and 3B. I looked it up and see which one resembles my hair the most. And that's what I got. I got it from some like picture on Pinterest. But that's how I keep my hair manageable, and I like wearing my hair curly now because I feel like it just looks better on me than wearing... Oh my god, my flash from my phone is on. I just think my curly hair looks better on me now because I have such a round face. My curls make my hair look better instead of having my hair straight. One thing I would tell you guys is if you're younger than me or if you're the same age as me, older than me, whatever, if you don't like your natural hair, it's because you just need to work on it. I didn't like my natural hair because I put so much heat on it and it was just ugly to me. And now that I finally stopped straightening my hair, putting so much heat on it, it got better, and I actually love wearing my hair curly. Like, I wouldn't want it any other way. My dad always telling me when I was younger, you're gonna love your curly hair when you get older, you just need to know how to take care of it. And I learned how to take care of it, and now I love my curly hair. But that is my curly hair routine. That's how I keep my hair from looking so frizzy, and this is basically my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Follow my Instagram so you guys can stay updated with me. Comment down below any video suggestions, any other questions you have about my routine, because I will definitely answer them. Or you could always DM me on Instagram, text me on Snapchat, whatever you guys want. And yeah, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I love you guys so much. Bye!